Hello, welcome to Tuesday's Tip from the workshop. Here's part 3 on fitting the neck to the body. Now, I think most people use a jig, yikes, similar to this in fitting the pitch to the body. There are certainly more elaborate versions, but this is what I do. That goes in here. Alright, so the neck's in here. Let's see if I can move the camera a little bit. There we go. And then it has a screw. Now that you can't see it, the bottom is, most of you know what what's happening here, right? This thing is on a piece of wood that's on a hinge, and it comes in and out depending as I need for cutting the neck pitch to the body. Now, this is hard to explain like this, and I don't want to get too involved with it, but the thing that I've added to this, and perhaps there's some new aluminum jig you can buy this already does this, but the beauty of doing it like this, you can cut the pitch angle, go to the body, fit it with that little faux bridge I showed you last time, and compensate. If it's too shallow, I know I need to turn the screw a certain way to change the pitch. If it's too tall, I can turn it another way to change the pitch, because there's a reference from the last time I tried to fit it. What I have not had a reference for was the yaw. So that's what's happening here now. This jig, I have the truss rod slot, a piece of wood for the truss rod slot for it to fit in, and then this piece will slide back and forth for the yaw. So what happens is, when I'm cutting the pitch, I'm also cutting the yaw. I check the pitch, I check the yaw. If either one's off, I have a reference for both. I have a reference for the pitch, and I have a reference from the yaw from the last time I tried to cut it. So that makes the back and forth, it cuts it down by 50% if you have a reference point from the last time that you tried to make the cut. So usually you make the cut, sometimes you get lucky, you nail it the first time, but often you have to go back and make one little change or another little change. 2 times back and forth, usually you can get the neck fitted perfectly. It works great. It was a real time saver for me. I hope it helps you. Be happy building guitars.